How to find your baby's heartbeat at home.
Hello everyone! Finding your baby's heartbeat at home can be a delightful experience. Not only does it provide a wonderful bonding moment, but it can also give you peace of mind. Today, we'll guide you through the process of locating that precious heartbeat. Let's dive in.
Why would you want to listen at home?
Many expecting parents choose to listen to their baby's heartbeat for the sheer joy it brings. Additionally, it can be reassuring to hear that steady rhythm, especially between prenatal appointments. However, it's important to remember that you shouldn't use home monitoring as a substitute for professional prenatal care.
What will you need?
To check for a baby's heartbeat at home, you typically use a fetal Doppler or stethoscope. These devices amplify the sound, making it easier to hear the heartbeat. Fetal Doppler, a handheld ultrasound device that picks up the sound of your baby's heartbeat. Stethoscope, more challenging to use than a Doppler but can be effective once you're familiar with it.
How do you do it?
Follow these steps to optimize your chances of finding the heartbeat. 1. Find a quiet space. It's easier to hear the heartbeat in a quiet environment. 2. Lie down. Lying on your back can make it easier to locate the heartbeat. However, if you're past the midpoint of your pregnancy, you might find it more comfortable to lie on your side. 3. Apply gel. If you're using a fetal Doppler, apply some ultrasound gel or aloe vera gel to the belly. This helps the Doppler slide smoothly and transmit sound better. 4. Position the device. Start near the pubic bone and move the Doppler or stethoscope slowly and steadily around your belly. Your baby's heart rate will be much faster than yours, typically between 120 to 160 beats per minute. 5. Listen patiently. Don't be discouraged if you don't find it immediately. It can take practice, and sometimes, the baby might be in a position that makes the heartbeat harder to pick up.
Any precautions?
Yes, there are some things to keep in mind. Avoid overuse. Don't overdo it. While listening occasionally can be a treat, constantly checking can become a source of anxiety. Remember, not finding the heartbeat doesn't always indicate a problem. The baby's position, your body type, or the device's quality can all affect your ability to detect the heartbeat. Professional guidance. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Listening to your baby's heartbeat can be a magical experience. Remember to enjoy the moment and not to stress if you can't always find the heartbeat. As always, your healthcare provider is your best resource for any pregnancy-related concerns. We hope this guide has been helpful, and happy listening.